Yeah, day 30th of June, Friday. Trying to catch up on some homework. This is a little half bath right off the garage. Kind of handy to have. I've got the step stool here. Exhaust fan. Every now and again he'll start making a racket and kind of a slow start. And being that this is a very small bathroom, believe it or not, the contaminant is dust off of toilet paper. So every year or so I go in and pull the cover straight down. It's got two spring clips that hold it in position. They go into some slots, and then take a hand broom and sweep it off real good, and go back with some silicone lube and spray the shaft between the little cheap motor and the fan. This is one of the best lubes I've ever found. Beach WD-40, all to hell. This is RV Slide Out Silicone Lube, Walmart or Amazon. It's great stuff. Long lasting. I spray the door hinges on my Ram pickup with it, stop any squeaks, which is where Kitty's all checking out, see what I've been doing. So anyway, nice and quiet. No need to replace something that just needs a little quick brush off and some lube. A lot of folks, they hear that noise, first thing to do is go down to the big box store and get them another one and replace it, and then 2 years later it makes the same noise, they go get another one, replace it, and it just needs a little bit of cleaning and lube. So, trying to take care of some home duties here today. I need to clean my air conditioning condensing unit. Try to get that done before it starts getting too hot. That's all for this one. Thank you.